How to close all tabs on Chrome iPhone. To close all open tabs on Chrome browser on your iPhone, follow these steps. Firstly, open Chrome web browser on your device. If you can't find it, then go to the search bar on the top and search for Chrome. From the search suggestion, click on the Chrome browser app. In Chrome browser, make sure that you are logged in to your account. To see the number of tabs that you have opened on your web browser, you can simply look at this icon. At the bottom panel on this icon, there's a number given. Right now, the number is 3. This means that the number of tabs opened are 3. Tap on the same icon. Now you will get a general overview of all the tabs that you have opened. If you have more than 6 tabs opened, then you can even scroll down and see all of your tabs. To delete all the tabs, you can simply click on the cross icon on each tab. By doing this, the tabs will get removed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.